Welcome to vsert.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, solve the following. Any number divided by 700 equals to 2500. Find that number. Now, multiply, suppose that number be x. Multiply both the sides by 700. So x equals to 2500 into 700. Now here, as there are 4 zeros, so the answer will have 4 zeros, and multiply 25 by 7. 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry forward, 7 twos are 14 plus 3 is 7 twos are 14 plus 3 is 17. So it is 1,750,000. Hence 1,750,000 divided by 700 gives 2,500.